Let's go.
Top Boy Johnny here, having a great time at the Dragon Valley 2026 with Adam's Adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because he deserves it. He's a top lad. Let's have it.
Adam Bird.
Yep.
1448.
Thank you.
One for you. Max to get there, but it's the same as last year.
Yeah.
And then that.
2.
Have two.
Have 2, yeah.
Have two.
That'll do.
And then sticker to get you one side. Okay.
Hello.
How are you doing? You alright?
I'm alright.
This is Adam and his adventures. How are your adventures today, Adam?
It's too cold.
Look at this coat.
Too wet. I had to buy the coat because of you.
Everyone's got the best coats on too.
Cost me £11 off eBay.
11 quid, I only paid £3.67 for me. You look lovely and dry.
Yeah.
I like the high vis.
Special one, isn't it? Expensive one.
Don't be too enthusiastic, Adam. Come on.
How fast can you get on?
Not enough.
Not enough. With all that weight.
If you've got a tailwind, you'll happily get to. I mean, I got up to 60 miles an hour yesterday. As most people do on this model, they drop 1/2 on the drive.
Yeah, I've done that on my 125. Yeah.
It's happiest. About 55.
You can get 55 flat on a flat.
If you're on the flat
all that weight
with no wind, the weight doesn't make any difference.
No, same. I haven't noticed that.
It doesn't seem to make any difference. It's all about gradient and headwind.
I mean, you can get a good 55, yeah.
Yes, but they won't go both ways. Unless it's a very short.
I was following for a little while.
Huh?
That thing fucking flies.
I did 70
I
today.
was behind you
Yeah.
on whatever main road that was.
What, were you on the red bike?
Yeah.
Oh, you were ages, weren't you,
That
behind
was me, yeah.
Yeah, it was
I
you.
was like, fucking
I
hell.
thought you meant YouTube then. I'm like, what?
No, I was behind you today.
What do you mean for a bit?
I swear I had you at like 75, 80.
No, I was doing probably true, almost about a true 70.
Yeah.
For a while. And I
Yeah.
couldn't believe it. It doesn't really matter too much on weight.
You overtook them two
It's
big
about your
bikes.
bubble.
I was like, okay, well,
It's all about your bubble, isn't it? Because I've kept all weight behind my arse and going down a slight hill. It's just helped the torque push.
Yeah, I saw you go for the services. I was like, no, I just want to get there. I nearly stopped and said hello.
And I'm hoping I don't like suck in too much water either, because I'm a bit of a cunt if you look what I've done. If you see what I've done down there, like I've made a mesh myself, but I've just stuck it straight on fucking K&N straight actually on.
Oh, have you?
I'm on it, no pipe in between. get a sore bum when you went all the way down to...
Yeah.
Nah, it's all good,
I
yeah.
do squats, got runs of steel.
Yeah.
You got to squat.
Moving, moving. Been waiting here ages thinking, oh no, where are you? Oh, we've just come up here for fun, yeah. Fuck's sake. You stuck as well. Fucking Kenda! Why? We're having a massive fire later.
Yeah. Right, so we've made it to the Dragon Valley now. We had a lovely little stopover in Conway and got to meet everyone. We sent to a few but overload. Well, look at all these cool lads on here. We've got the best coach and everything. We've got Kevin there, right? And we've got Adam's Adventures. His channel on screen now. Check it out. He's just some really fantastic adventures. He's very dry humoured, but we love the lad. So we are walking now up Blowout on some other remediation now.
Yeah, look how boggy it is. It's fucking shit, this, isn't it?
Then you end it, cutscene like that.
Cutscene, believe you in the cutscene. I was talking. This will be video. Confused when last year earlier, I'm like, oh my god, is this it? And it's like, well, where are you? Because I thought, well, which way have you gone round? Like, you went down that left, and I see your bikers continuing on. I'm like, just follow up the lights and just assume they're going to the same place. And I asked the guy up here, have you seen anyone like a pack of cubs? I said, have you seen a pack of cubs wearing orange? No, we saw one blue cub go down there. I'm like, no way have I like left you and then got here like 60 seconds. For more than 60 seconds, it's been 2 minutes.
That's a nice bag, isn't it?
Looks amazing, doesn't it?
I'll have the toys for you. Yeah, do. I'll just give Adam's Adventures a big round of applause for just how nice he looks today. Look here, filming me, filming him.
Bargain for 11 quid. Alright.
Right, whiskey, vodka, Captain Morgan.
Vodka, please.
There you go.
That mine.
Badge.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Rum.
Was that mine? Yeah.
Yeah, don't blame me.
Excuse me. How much are these?
5.
5 quid. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Oh, I thought I had a fiver in here. Oh, look at that. Fiver.
That's ideal, thank you.
Isn't it?
One
Thank
of
you.
the beer mugs.
No, cup.
Cup.
You bought both.
You can lose your Frodo.
Frodo. Thank you.
You know how expensive they are.
40p.
What's this?
Amazing.
That's weird. I've never seen this before. This bit. I've never seen that bit.
What's it?
I don't know.
Oh, that's to stop the sweat getting on it.
So you put it on this way, I'm assuming. Oh, right. Yeah, that can go up the helmet. Right, brilliant. I actually like.
When you grow your dreadlocks.
It's a bargain for a fiver, I reckon. Yeah, they cost a fiver for crappy ones off eBay, don't they? Yeah.
That's it, double laid, and it's a hat as well as a.
Nice. Can't believe it's a fiver.
It's amazing.
I know. For a fiver. What else do you got? All right. Soup and a roll, all them carbs, been on a diet. Oh God, life is over.
Tomato, please.
Right. Tomato, please. Tomato. Oh, you got a nice one, thank you. Right. Oh, it's a bar. All right. Oh, proper bar, look.
What here?
Near the end. He's a fell pony.
Yeah. Go to the side of it, Adam.
Sorry.
Good, that's all. I'll get a picture of you, I'll get a video of you.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't usually feed him, but
I sent you
I'm giving
that.
him treats for now. Yeah, it is. It is. So
I think
he's
I'm
got
allergic
all
to
mouthy
horses,
on.
so I'm not going to touch him.
He's gone mouthy.
I've already got one at
Have a
home.
good day, yeah? It's fucking warm, innit? I'm sweating.
It is a bit warm, yeah.
It's funny as fuck.
Very pessimistic, yeah.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, he's been doing it. He's got a C90.
So you're on your way to Kazakhstan, yeah?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan, yeah.
We've been doing it in stages.
Wow.
You do it about 4 or 5 weeks, and then we get as far as we go, find somewhere to park those bikes up, and go back again.
Some from the trouble, but I'm not coming again there because I'm See you later.
Well, also you used to triple, aren't you? Triple void.
Who's top boy in there?
The leg.
You have one.
Look at biggest tent on here, look. That's just taking me, innit? Oh, I think we're recording now. Yeah.
Got a rooster.
It feels a lot more stable than back home. This is another option on my short list. It's on my short list, the rally version with screen.
Oh, there's loads of people up there.
Loads.
Yeah, look. We can't drive in.
No, that's what I said. I've been struggling to hold the pint. I can hold the pint on tarmac. You gonna try it?
No, I can't.
Go on, they'll give you way. Try it. Everyone will move out your way. Honestly, everyone will move.
It's so busy in there.
Go on, everyone will move. Go, go, go. It's empty. It's empty. It's empty. Go to the bar. Am I still recording? Am I recording? Has it got red stuff?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Move. Move.
Oh.
Can I get a lift?
Yeah.
Just the bar.
Yeah, jump on, man.
Yeah.
There we are.
All good, all good.
She's kicking off, mate. She's kicking off.
3 minutes.
You've got the money. We can switch it off.
We'll switch it off.
Switch it off. Okay.
3 beers, please.
I've got to fucking hold them, mate. That's the problem. I'm gonna have to be covered in beer.
Wow, yeah, I was a little bit wet. Yeah.
They're not saving you. We tried. No service. Oh no! You're gonna need me to carry pints when you get home.
Hold on to it. We'll go that way, you'll be alright.
Oh, yo, are you alright? Let's have a sit, see if I can go on it. No, it's too tall, mate. It's too tall. Your suspension's fucking done it.
Yeah.
Oh no, sat on it.
Once you're on it, you're
It's
alright.
okay, but I'm on tiptoes. Yeah.
Fine, innit?
Have you smashed your brake lever in? Yeah.
No. Will was riding it. I was on the back and we crashed.
Lads, just be careful though. Now, we've just taken 2 lads to A&E, so don't be careful riding about now, yeah?
I can blame him.
What?
I'm a passenger.
No, yeah. That's fine then.
In a bit. It's quite good, you know. A&E. What, they've had 2 lads go to A&E already?
Fucking hell, what killed you?
I thought, yeah, they had an ambulance there. I thought, the ambulance is there for a reason. Oh no, this is dangerous, mate. I'm telling you. No, this is dangerous, mate. I'm telling you. Go left hand side. Go left hand side between the car. Oh no, mate, we're gonna fall, mate. Oh no.
Got it.
No, we're gonna fall, mate. Oh god. Oh god, fucking hell. Go left.
It's funny as fuck.
Go round the cab. Go round that bit. Yeah, go left. You see that bit of light? You want to go head towards the light.
To the right? What?
To light. LED. Go round the LED.
What o'clock? 1, 12?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Half 12. 1 o'clock.
Here?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
I went down here earlier, it was sketch as fuck, man.
No, let's get in.
No, there's a ditch in a minute. Yeah, just follow your path. Like, follow your nose, there's a ditch.
Yeah.
We've gone through the worst ditch and this bike just fucking glided through it way better than mine. That was the ditch. I struggled like fuck through there. I can't believe what tyres you got on.
Michelin's, not trackers, wild something. I can't remember what it's called.
Fucking men. can't believe this bike. It just fucking glides through this shit.
Yeah.
Fucking made for it, innit? I wonder if she fucking drove all over the fucking world and what until she broke a collarbone.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Bruce, sometimes.
No, I'll pass on that. You can go up there. You can stop for me to get off that bike. Go on, I'll get off. Okay. Fucking can't believe we survived. I thought we were gonna go down. Oh shit, that is a tent, that is a tent. I want me to jump off now. Yeah, that's your tent, that's your tent, that's your tent. Thank you for the ride, very good. Oh, I survived. It was a bit sketch, but he knows how to ride. I gathered that from earlier. He didn't drop it, so I thought I'll go on back.
He's drunk a litre of vodka, mate.
I don't care. Normally more vodka's good. Beer's bad. Vodka's okay. But they weren't impressed when we got there. It was kicking off like fuck.
Was it?
Yeah, they was kicking off. She was like, no. And I says, no, we'll switch it off. And she was like mid-ground, wasn't she? She was like, okay. Then next minute she's like, not serving you. Health and safety.
What, did you get the bike in?
Yeah, right to the bar. I couldn't believe it. Right to the bar.